Hello and welcome back to another episode on how to fix. In this episode, we will learn how we can fix AMC app not working problem. If you're having black screen or AMC app crashing or AMC app not loading or AMC logging issue or AMC app not opening or launching, then don't worry, you are not alone. Lot of other people also facing same issue. In this video we will learn how to fix it. It can be happen due to several reasons such as there may be a glitch or bug in the AMC app or server is down or you have turned your load data mode in your mobile and many more. Now to fix this problem, the first thing you can do is to update AMC app with the latest version. Now to update your AMC app, head over to the Play Store and there search for AMC and tap on update button to update your app. If you can see open button instead of update button, then it means you are using latest version of it. Now the second thing you can do is to clear all data of the app and get back logged into your account. Now for that, tap and hold the app and there tap on app info option. Now once you're in app info page, tap on clear data option at the bottom and there again tap on the first option which is clear all data. Now once you clear all data, tap and get logged into your account. Now this should solve your problem. If it doesn't solve your problem, then the last thing you can do is to remove this app completely from your device and reinstall the app. Now for that, tap and hold the app and there tap on remove option. And once your app get removed from your device, head over to the Play Store and there search for AMC and tap on install button to reinstall the app. Now once your app get reinstalled, tap and get logged into your account. Now this should fix your problem. Now that was the step-by-step process to fix AMC app not working problem. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.